enter control alt delete. So this screen actually, so you click just shut down, so not delete. So control alt delete, then press control alt delete, and then here to show restart. And second method is click to start button and type cmd, and right click to run as administrator and click to yes. So guys, you enter the in cmd shutdown /s/f/t 0. So what's the meaning of this command? Shutdown, S for shutdown, F for forcefully without warning, any close all application without warning, and T0 means 0 seconds, and then enter your shutdown. Okay, now this third options, close it. Guys, you scan viruses in your systems. So if you are using any antivirus or free antivirus, actually you uninstall the free antivirus because this is not working properly. And this is okay. So open Windows Defender, click to virus threat and protections, and click to scan options, scroll down, full scan. Otherwise you select Microsoft Defender offline scanner. This is a very deeply and delete automatically the viruses in your systems. Okay, actually some viruses is like not doing any systems like shut down and restart. This command is crashed, that's why. And one more thing, you repair your Windows files. So how to repair? Click to start button, type again cmd, and right click to run as administrator, and type sfc space slash scan now. Okay, and then enter. So this command is used only for a C drive, some dial files, some Windows file is crashed, so automatically repair, because some you install the pirated, and it's come with the virus and crash your dial files. So that was come the some issues like shutdown and okay. So guys, try to all method and then comment me it's working or not. Have any issue, so please comment, I will help you. Bye bye, take care.